Sorry, man.
Yeah, I think that's a fair point. I think really the expertise that HSI has in Las Vegas with counterfeit investigations, including intellectual property investigations, is something that leveraging those strengths, because Las Vegas, as you know, is no stranger to hosting large events. So although the Super Bowl presents its own unique challenges, the teams here are very used to hosting these large national security type events to make sure we're keeping the public safety.
CBP is deploying Blackhawk and A Star helicopters to protect Allegiant Stadium, airspace, and the thousands of fans attending the event. Our team of aviators will provide real-time, high-definition downlinks to the Super Bowl Command Center while enforcing the Federal Aviation Administrations temporary flight restriction over the stadium. This unique eye-in-the-sky capability is critical for security of the event, as the team is able to detect and intercept any suspicious aircraft attempting to enter the restricted zone. Many consumers also don't realize that purchasing counterfeit goods supports criminal activities such as human trafficking and forced labor. Speaking of human trafficking, we will be targeting the transnational organized criminals who seek to benefit from such heinous activity. As the first agency with access to potential human trafficking victims, we have a unique role in recognizing trafficking and potential victims.
Counterfeit merchandise is a multi-billion-dollar industry. However, it is not a victimless crime. Oftentimes, these items could be produced by victims of labor exploitation. The goods are illegally imported and smuggled in the United States and often pose a health and safety danger to the consumer.
On Monday, we're expecting probably close to 115,000 people will go out of the airport, and that's probably going to break every record we've had here at the airport. And all of us, as Cheryl mentioned, are really involved with human trafficking. All our employees in DHS have been trained to look for the behaviors that may represent trafficking, and we will make sure to get in contact with local law enforcement.